Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to generate PDFs using Visualforce pages in Salesforce. We'll start by understanding the fundamental attribute that transforms your Visualforce page into a printable document. This powerful feature allows you to create custom, data-rich PDFs directly from your Salesforce instance, perfect for invoices, reports, or custom forms. We'll cover the essential steps to get you started, ensuring your documents look professional and are easily accessible. To effectively generate a PDF, several key attributes are crucial. First, setting render as to PDF is non-negotiable. For precise control over your document's appearance, you should also set apply body tag to false and standard stylish sheets to false. This combination gives you complete command over the styling, allowing you to implement custom CSS for a polished, professional look, including defining page margins and orientation. Styling is paramount for a professional PDF. You'll embed your CSS directly within the Visualforce page, often within a style tag. Utilize @page rules to define margins, paper size, and orientation, such as portrait or landscape. For managing content flow, properties like page break before and page break after are invaluable, ensuring elements appear on the correct pages. Always test your PDF output rigorously to guarantee consistent and accurate rendering. When generating PDFs, several best practices enhance performance and reliability. Keep your Visualforce page relatively simple. Complex pages can slow down PDF generation. Remember that JavaScript does not execute when rendering as a PDF, so all logic must be server-side. For dynamic data, Apex, Repeat is excellent for tables, and Apex, Component allows you to create reusable sections, streamlining your development process and ensuring consistency across multiple documents.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.